Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn daily life sentences in Spanish. These are very simple sentences that you can use every day. This lesson is for A1 level beginners. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. First, let's learn how to greet someone in Spanish. To say hello, we say, hola. Repeat after me, hola. To ask how are you, we say, ¿Cómo estás? Repeat, ¿Cómo estás? Now let's learn how to reply. To say I am fine, we say, estoy bien. Repeat, estoy bien. To be polite, we say, estoy bien, gracias. Repeat after me. To ask someone what is your name, we say, ¿Cómo te llamas? Repeat slowly, ¿Cómo te llamas? To say your name, we use, me llamo. For example, me llamo Ria. To ask where are you from, we say, ¿De dónde eres? Repeat, ¿De dónde eres? To say where you are from, we say, soy de India. Repeat, soy de India. You can also say your city. These are very important daily words. Por favor means please. Repeat, por favor. Gracias means thank you. Repeat, gracias. Lo siento means sorry. Repeat, lo siento. To ask for help, we say, ¿Puedes ayudarme? This means can you help me? Repeat after me. To say I understand, we say, entiendo. Repeat, entiendo. To say I don't understand, we say, no entiendo. Repeat slowly. To talk about likes, we use, me gusta. For example, me gusta el café. Repeat. To talk about daily routine, we use, voy al trabajo means I go to work. Repeat. Voy a la escuela means I go to school. Repeat. To end a conversation politely, we say, mucho gusto, nice to meet you. Repeat. Today you learned daily life Spanish sentences. Practice these sentences every day. In the next video, we will learn Spanish conversation practice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your introduction.